Hello everyone! Welcome back! Again, I am Teacher Daphne and I'm here to guide you apply what you have learned in the previous video. So we will be discussing activities 1 to 3 of Quarter 2, third topic of Week 2, solving problems involving partitive proportion and inverse proportion. But before proceeding, make sure that you've watched the lecture video of this topic before answering your activity sheets. To begin with, you can find activity 1 and 2 on page 17 of your activity sheets, while for activity 3, you can answer it on page 18. For activities 1 to 3, the direction is solve the word problem, write your answer on the space provided. Note, you can also write your answers on a paper or on your notebook. Now, here are some sample problems that will serve as your guide in answering activities 1 to 3. First, if the word problem involves partitive proportion, you can solve it like this. For example, the ratio of cats and dogs is 6:5. There are 495 cats and dogs in a certain barangay. How many cats are there? In the problem, there are 495 cats and dogs, and its ratio is 6:5, which gives us an equation of 6n plus 5n equals 495. With that, we can now find the value of n. But first, let's add this. So 6n plus 5n equals 11n. Now, we have 11n equals 495. Then let's divide both sides by 11. So the value of n is 45. But that's not the end of it. Let's now multiply the value of n into parts 6:5. Therefore, cats, which corresponds to 6n, equals 6 multiplied by 45 is equal to 270. Dogs, which corresponds to 5n, equals 5 multiplied by 45 is equal to 225. With that, we can now answer the question in our problem. How many cats are there? You are right. There are 270 cats. Now, if the word problem involves inverse proportion, you can solve it like this. For example, in a TLA class, 5 girls worked together and sewed a dress in 6 days. How long would it have taken 3 girls to make the same dress? If we analyze the problem, as the number of girls decreases, the number of days increases. To solve this, first, we're going to write the ratios. And in writing the ratios of an inverse proportion, it looks like this. Girls is to girls as days is to days. For the first statement, 5 girls worked together and sewed a dress in 6 days, we can substitute the first word girls to 5. And on the opposite side, we can replace days to 6. And now, for the second statement, how long would it have taken 3 girls to make the same dress? We can substitute girls to 3. And on the opposite side, we don't know yet how long, so we're going to use a variable for the missing term. Now, let's rewrite the equation we have formed. So 5:3 as to the missing term is to 6. We can now find the missing term. First, let's get the cross product. 5 multiplied by 6 as to 3 multiplied by the missing term. So we have 30 equals 3n. Now let's divide both sides by 3. So we can get 10. Therefore, it would take 10 days for the girls to do the same dress. That's right. Good job! You are now ready to answer activities 1 to 3. If you have any concerns or queries regarding the activities, you may get in touch with your mathematics teacher so he or she can assist you. Good luck!